Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Did you miss me? No, I didn't think so. Okay, so we are going to do this is example 2, where we have our wheel and axle here for a bandsaw. And so we're given all our information up here, all right, and we're going to work our way through the steps. So let's go with first up. We are asking for the IMA. So our IMA, oh, I don't know what an IME is. IMA is going to be dE over dr. Now, which is driving which? The effort force is going to be the axle. So that is going to be our effort in this case. And the resistance, because what it's doing is there's an axle that's going to drive this big wheel that's going to make this bandsaw run through it. Okay? So this is probably more for velocity than making something go easier. Okay, and that's one reason why it's doing it. It's not doing the simple machine to get you to have less force. It's trying to get a better velocity off of that. So my effort force and my resistance force is right there. So my dE in this case is going to be the axle, which is 3/4 of an inch, which I know fractions. I'm going to put in 0.75. That's a point there. Okay, now what about your resistance distance? Your resistance distance, which is also fun to say, that's going to be 14 inches. So I have 14 inches right there. All right, divide it out, and what do we get? 0.75 divided by 14, and I get a really small IMA of 0.05357. Okay, so that is our IMA. Now let's go to the next one. Our next is going to be considering the efficiency. Well, what's our efficiency? 22%. Not very efficient. All right, so our efficiency is going to be 22% or 0.22. All right, what is the AMA? Well, again, the formula for efficiency, all right, efficiency is going to be AMA divided by IMA. All right, so we have IMA already calculated. We have efficiency. I got to do a little algebra. Multiply both sides by IMA. Yoink, yoink. So I have actual, or AMA is equal to I times efficiency. And my I is going to be 0.05357. My efficiency is 0.22. So my AMA is 0.01179. Super low. Okay, finally, if we use the same wheel and axle but in a different way, meaning if we look at that picture again, what if we had this be the effort and that be the resistance of turning that axle? What would my IMA be at that time? Well, again, so IMA, I'm a deer, but in this case, my effort would be the 14, and my resistance would be the 3/4 inch or 0.75. So my IMA in that case would be 18.67, which is a whole lot more, but that's not why we're using it. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.